classes and making the concepts understand to the kids at a lower level itself is a big thing actually, and that was done perfectly in Happyskool. And I think international curriculum deals only with this, like they make the concept there to the depth rather than taking them just on the books, just like other normal peers and all. See, last 2 years it is unavoidable, we can't help it. But hereafter, when the offline classes are starting, try to concentrate more on practical classes, practical knowledge, try to provide more of practical knowledge rather than just going on with the books and examinations. And I want the kids to explore more of outside world also, not just subject wise, but outside thing, learn about agriculture, learn about safety, everything. So that is what as a parent I wanted them, so that their molding up will be perfect.
I don't want to pressurize my child from the childhood itself, giving more homeworks and giving lot of things during childhood, because at least till 5 or 6 he should play and he should understand the basics. That's the main reason I was put in the Happyskool. And moreover, he was very much interested in to understand the new concepts and new thinkings, and now he is improved a lot in writing also. So that's the main important aspect I was put in the Happyskool.
The only thing, we need some activity-based school. That is the thing we focused on that. So that way we choose this school.
Here the students is exceeding more than 20. They are separating the classes, and they are focusing each and every kids whether they are understanding properly or not. In that way, we are really happy with that Happyskool.
I have 3 kids. All of them studying in Happyskool. I'm very happy that my kids are in this school. They are very active and they are happy. I don't want my kids to be more kind of career oriented or more kind of personal oriented. I just want them to be balanced, and I want them to be very happy, lead a happy life. So that's why I'm just put my kids in the Happyskool. I kind of analyzed so many schools, verified it. Okay, this is very perfect and for me. So I'm just happy with this school.
I want to be an astronaut.
What do you want?
I want to become a doctor.
The concept is they teach about skills, concepts, thinking, learning rather than scoring. So that's what the concept which I like in this school. And the teachers are the backbone of any school, and the children are comfortable coming to school. So that will be the major thing for a kindergarten children going to school, how to make them go to the school. So here it is done very perfectly, and the credit goes to the teachers. And in his whole class, he has never said no to school. So that's going to be the testimony for how the teachers are there.
Regarding the school, the curriculum is very good. The way they are teaching the online class, the way the online classes are being conducted, it is very good. And kids, they encourage the kids to express themselves and be self-confident. So I can easily see the improvement in my son's confidence, as well as the way he's learning and stuff. So overall it has been a very good experience from right from admission, and any queries we have, we can immediately reach out to the concerned teachers and get it resolved. So if you study in IGCSE or CBC, you can only put them in Indian colleges, or very few colleges abroad will be accepting CBSE and ICSE. So they have to take SAT exams and stuff. So for preparing SAT exams and other international competitive exams for college admission, it will be a lot easier if they undergo international curriculum since the early stages. So that is also one of the other concerns that I had.
As a parent, every parent thinks that they should give a very good and an excellent start for their kid. So we have felt that Vidyasagar Happyskool is the best place to start with. So basically we chose this school because we wanted him to learn more than academic. Just we are not interested to make him just learn only academic syllabus, but all the other extracurricular activities like dance, yoga, and then drawing. So I felt like this Happyskool gives importance for other activities equally as if like how they give importance for academic. So that's the main reason for which we have brought him here.
I love Vidyasagar Happyskool. I will study in grade 1.